Thank you. Find the value of k for equal roots if 2kx square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. First of all, let us compare this equation with standard quadratic equation. So compare x square coefficient is 2k. So a is equal to 2k. B coefficient of x 6 and c constant is 9. For equal roots, condition is discriminant should be 0. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square means 6 square minus 4 into a into c is 2k into 9 must be 0. Six square 36 minus 4 to the 8, 8 9 ja 72k. 36 will be shifted RHS, minus will be cancelled. K is equal to 36 upon 72. After cancellation it will be 1 upon 2. So the answer of this question, k is equal to 1 upon 2. 5 years ago, square of Anshul age was 11 more than 5 times of his present age. Find the present age of Anshul. इस प्रश्न में कहा गया है कि 5 साल पहले अंशुल के एज का स्क्वायर जो था उसकी प्रेजेंट एज के 5 गुना से 11 ज़्यादा था, तो उसकी प्रेजेंट एज हमें कैलकुलेट करनी है. Let the present age of Anshul is x. Now listen student, as you know that we are doing word problem. The problem is given in the words. Now we will convert the word into mathematical equation. According to question, 5 years ago means x minus 5, present age is x, square of Anshul's age was 11 more than 5 times of his present age. Very simple, we converted the words into mathematical equation. Now let us solve this quadratic equation. Using the middle term splitting, we will split this middle term. 15x, we written here, 14x minus and minus x. Now the pairs, in the first pair x is common, in the second pair minus 1 is common. Now in a whole expression, x minus 14 is common. Here either x minus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now listen carefully student. If we consider the x minus 1 is equal to 0, so the Anshul's present age would be 1 year. This is not possible. Because in the question it is given that the 5 year ago, we are talking about the 5 year ago. So 5 year ago the Anshul age will be minus 4. That is not possible. So we will rejecting this value. So we will consider x minus 14 is equal to 0, means x is equal to 14. So the Anshul's present age would be 14 years. Solve for x in a given quadratic equation 9x square minus 3a plus bx plus ab is equal to 0. For solving this one, let us multiply 3 and x inside, minus 3x minus 3bx plus ab is equal to 0. To solve the quadratic equation, you practice to make the pairs. So this is the first pair, this is second pair. Now let us take the common. 3x is common, 3x minus a, and here b is common, 3x minus a in a bracket. Now in a whole expression, see 3x minus a, 3x minus a, we can take common. Now we'll have 3x minus b in a bracket. Now we'll use here the product rule. The product of the two numbers is 0. So we can put 1 by 1 is equal to 0. 3x minus a is equal to 0. 3x minus b is equal to 0. So x is equal to a upon 3. And here the x is equal to b upon 3. Since it is a quadratic equation, x e power 2, so there are two solutions, x is equal to a by 3 and x is equal to b by 3. So this is the answer. The area of rectangle is 1000 square centimeter and its perimeter is 130 centimeter. Find the dimension. So let us suppose this is a rectangle and let the dimensions are x and y. Length is x, breadth is y. According to question, length into breadth, area is equal to 1000 square centimeter. We can mention here the area is equal to length into breadth using this formula. And the perimeter means 2 times sum of the dimension is equal to given 130. 2 length plus breadth. This is the formula perimeter. 2 times length, 2 times breadth. Now listen student, we can solve further here. So it will be x plus y, and this 2 divide this 130, it will be 65. Now we are having two equations, this one and this one. So with the help of these two equations, we can find out x and y. From here we took the y is equal to 65 minus x. Now we will use this y here. So we will write here x into y. Instead of the y, we will write 65 minus x. Now listen student, in order to convert into standard form, we'll multiply by minus 1. Now we will solve this quadratic equation. See, this is somehow tedious, the numbers are bigger, so we can use the quadratic formula. First, let us compare with the equation ax square bx plus c. So a means coefficient of the x square 1 and b is equal to minus 65 and c is equal to 1000. Now I am solving here. You can pause the video and note down. Minus b means minus 65 plus minus discriminant b square minus 4ac upon 2a means 2 into 1. 65 square 4225 minus this 4000 upon 2. 65 plus minus this is 225 under root upon 2. 225 square root is 15. Now one by one we will take the positive. So x is equal to 65 plus 15 upon 2. X is equal to 40. Now taking negative, 65 minus 15 upon 2, x is 25. So using this equation we form x plus y is equal to 65. If we take x is equal to 40, then y is 25. And if we take x is equal to 25, then y is equal to 40. So it means that both are correct. If we take the length is equal to 40, the breadth will be 25. If we take the length is equal to 25, the breadth will be 40. So depending on the rectangle. Rectangle may be this length bigger and breadth smaller, then it will be 40 and 25. And if the rectangle is in this way, so this is 25, this is 40, this is the length, this is breadth. So means our answer is 40 centimeter and 25 centimeter. We can take either one. We can take this one length, this is breadth, or this is length, or this is breadth. This is the answer. These are the dimensions.